Hi everyone, welcome here. You might think these are some glimpses from a kid's fashion show. But believe me, this is a video made entirely with AI. You must have noticed this type of video grabs the attention of everyone, and nowadays this niche is trending on TikTok and YouTube, getting millions of views. You can also make money with this niche, and believe me, this is very easy with AI. Imagine AI can now create such real-looking videos that 99% of people will not be able to recognize. This is not just an open AI tool but even faster and 100% free right now. In this video, I will show you how you can create amazing videos and images in just a few clicks. And a secret trick by which you can get unlimited free credits. Are you ready to do something new? Let's start. First of all, go to the description of this video and open the website named Hailuo AI. This is a new Chinese AI tool that is 100% free right now, but there is no way to know when it will become paid. When you open this website for the first time, it will appear in Chinese language, but don't worry you. Just right-click and select Translate to English. You have to do this, and if you are on mobile, then Google will automatically translate it. Yes, it also has a mobile app, but it is in Chinese language, so there is no use in downloading it. You can log in with your phone number or WeChat account. If you create an account, then you will also get the option of image to video, but we will use it without logging in. So you have to click on the second button. Now you have to accept its terms and conditions. After that, you will see its main dashboard, where you will find a prompt bar. Here you can type prompt up to 2,000 characters. Below you will find some demo videos which have already been created using this tool. If you want, you can copy their prompts and use them. I will play some videos and show you. Let me show you this one. Really amazing. Perfect. This tool is really amazing. Now, how can you generate free text to video from here? For this, you must have a good prompt. Let's enter a prompt and click on Generate Video. Now our video has started generating. This tool is very fast, like Kling AI generates a video in 1 day, and Hotshot AI also takes up to 2 days. In Runway ML the credits get over, so this new tool is the best for you right now. Our first video is ready and you can see its results. According to our prompt, it has given amazing results. Just look at the consistency in both characters, check the backgrounds, and look at the focus of the camera on the characters. It's truly incredible. You can also download the video by clicking on the download button. You don't need to worry about the prompt, just visit the description of this video and you will get it. Let's do it. You can make a lot of changes in the characters too. Like, I want to replace the wolf with a lion in the video. So edit the prompt and replace wolf with lion. Now click on generate and wait for a while. You can make changes in the prompt as you want, but keep in mind that you can generate only one video from here at a time. You will have to wait a little to generate the second video. This video is also ready. Friends, it's all about prompts. Let me replace the loin with a tiger. Click on Generate Video and here is the result. This is really cute. Is it not? Friends, these are the results that I have created using simple prompts. Let me show you some more results. Just go to the description, grab the prompt, and try this amazing tool. Play with the prompts, and I would love to see your creations. Share with me in the comment section what you have learned. Please subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.